for smart financial choices. Please leave your name and number, and I'll call you back as soon as possible. Thank you. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Howdy, sister. What do you got, Chick-fil-A? Have my girl give me a call. I'm out and about, doing some housework today, this afternoon. Talk to you later. Love you. Bye-bye.
For America, I would like change the weather, and so that I'll do 2 cars, not 2 cars.
What would you do if you had a magic wand? A magic wand. Magic wand. If you were magic, let's say, if you were magic wand,
oh, man.
You could do anything, bro, just for the country.
For the country?
Yeah. You're a citizen, right?
Yeah.
You've been here for a while, probably.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah. Look at that video.
I'd say that there was a way to promote peace.
No, you got the magic wand. You can do it. You know what I mean? Like a wish, like 3 wishes.
Yeah. Are you recording this?
Yeah, I'm recording the sky. Yeah, it's a good question, right?
Oh, it is a good question. I think if I had a magic wand, I think I would think more fair, more equal, more proportional. I think that's what creates a lot of conflict. People are unsatisfied, you know.
Aren't satisfied?
Unsatisfied.
More satisfied.
Well, the big difference in social classes.
Okay.
It makes people.
You know what I call that?
I don't know.
The disparity between rich and poor.
Okay.
You know, disparity, right? That's a, you know, that's.
That's exactly what I mean.
Yeah.
I don't have the academic wording for that, but
Academic wording.
that's what I meant.
Oh, thank you. Oh my God, the sky looks. You see this thing here? You know what it does? Is it kind of magnifies.
Big these cameras that you get in this thing.
In the car, first time she drove, oh my God, in the back seat, that little Ford Focus of her mom's, holy sugar. Whew. Scared the hell out of me going to Troy. The roads are kind of strange right there. Mom flipping out, kind of. Me just working the brake in the back. That's a good thing for a man and father. Troy teaches girl on the job. I really didn't teach her, but she taught me how to hold on. Turn back a little bit.
You can make.
Having to zoom and zoom out. And you got to be able to hear her. So get closer to the little one. Closer, closer, closer.
Oh, so that first? Yeah. Yeah. Now you get the music.
What can make America great?
How can you make America greater?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Just your opinion. Whatever you think is okay. It doesn't, not what somebody else wants you to say. It's just your, whatever your young mind thinks from your experience. What'd you say makes it great?
What did you say how it makes it great?
What makes it great?
Yeah, what makes it great?
It's like, North Carolina's great because of the weather. The church is great because it has a roof on
Being
it.
nice to people.
Okay?
Now what can make it greater? Everybody is equal. Everybody is. Just say what comes first to mind.
It's okay, it's a hard question.
Oh my lord, I've never been asked. I honestly,
Why want to get this president?
I honestly don't know. I mean,
You're filmmaking.
Well, I'm filmmaking, but so the film is not.
Am I going to be the star? I just want to know if I'm going to get paid.
8:35. We've been working Silent Scream America for many, many moons now. We've gotten many, many opinions and many, many beautiful concepts. We've been talking to the people, Dan and Dave here, and I think we're ready to take it to the rolling machine, so to speak, and maybe put it together and see if we can't come up with a concept.
Where are we now?
Ready to head to greener pastures elsewhere, further on and beyond. Anything and everything we can. We're gonna hustle. No, we're gonna be straight up. What we're gonna do. We're gonna find a way. We're gonna work, and we're even gonna hook people up who work with us. You know, we're gonna tip them. We're gonna let them tip us. Yada,
Awesome,
yada, yada.
Dave.
All right, let's go.
Okay, so I got it finally. Day 195. Morning 12/12. 19. So we're I'm gonna talk with Ryan tonight, and hopefully it's gonna come through tomorrow. You're kind of a mystical girl. If you had a magic wand, what would you do with it for America?
For America?
Just for our country, our future.
Wand for America. Good question. Man, I don't even know.
Everybody win this.
Magic wand.
You know what I mean, though. I mean, all powerful, just Bing, it's all done. Genie, you know, remember Bewitched or some shit. Bing, it's all.
Honestly, I would take out money.
I've heard that. I heard that from a girl at McDonald's.
Yep.
So I do the drive-in window. I ask the kids to do the drive-in window, you know, the young people.
I would just get rid of money.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you two questions, but the first one I usually ask is, what do we have? It's like a maze.
Yeah.
You ever do a maze?
Mm-hmm.
Do you ever go backwards? Start from the.
Oh no.
See, that's how you do it, though. You know what I mean?
Can.
Because there's only one path backwards, right?
Yeah.
So here we are. The magic wand is the goal at the maze. So now we're gonna go back the first step through that first door. And so now the Colombians are taking the Venezuelans back so they can work to send their family something.
That's good.
You know?
Repayment, they let them in. And
Yeah, but Venezuela's
well, true, but
fucked. It's a key word.
true.
So what's the first step to getting rid of the money system?
It's just with how America is right now, everybody is too set on it, and
Commercialism.
yeah, it's bad.
Especially around the holidays. You stick it around the holidays?
Oh yeah.
Black Friday nonsense.
Oh no, I was not out there.
My boys did it once. They did Times Square once. They did, you know, that's enough, Dad. We're not going to not going to Times Square anymore.
I did Black Friday once, and I would never do it again. It was
That's a
awful.
lot of cash. That is a lot of cash.
These are all ones, right?
Yeah, they make nothing.
I have a couple in my backpack. Would you like to have one?
What kind?
Bush ice.
I would love one, sir. Let me ask you a question. What makes America great? A person like yourself to serve our country?
Love. Love is one thing. And honor.
Honor, I like that one. Who's this young lady here? What do you think makes America great? Just in your opinion, ma'am.
What makes America great?
We have freedom.
Freedom.
You can what?
Practice your religion.
That's the way you go away.
Any way you want to.
So 2018, you fellas, folks are a little bit older than me. What would make America greater?
Get rid of Trump.
Okay. What about you, Edith? Just your opinion. You don't have to agree with him.
I don't know. I'm an independent, so
Well, it's not a political question, really.
I'll tell you the truth,
It's a great question.
I'll tell you right now what would make her happy, and if she's happy, and it's in America, her house being complete on the inside. That would make her happy.
I can't think of the other things right now.
So maybe here's his thought. Maybe how does that happen?
Also, people.
I want
people treating people like you would be treated.
I would, yes. Do unto others
as you would like them to do unto you.
Right.
You know what I say about that political answer? I say presidents come and go.
I believe in the golden
Right.
rule. I like to. I always live by that. I guess.
Okay, now for America, for your grandkids and next generations, if you had a magic wand, all-powerful magic wand, folks, what would you do?
So what are we really seeing? I mean, the story about being in the cave, the guy reaching up for his cave all his life and seeing the shadows on the wall, and that's what he thought was the real life.
So this is what you got. There's the two of you. You and the husband, you and her.
Yes. No, me and my husband have been. Yeah.
Can I take a quick look? I got the video here.
It's
Mine's a mess too. Mine's a mess too.
It's his work truck right now,
Yeah,
so it's
yeah,
just
that's mine.
like
Mine's half.
tools
Nice.
and crap. But yeah, we have like.
It's good. You got standing room. You're short too. So
And we have just like a pump.
I gotta get me a pair. Only pair to fit you.
And about 2 years, they would he had all those desert kind of, you know, the cloth and
yeah.
suede.
I think I lost them. My boy was from, you know, National Guard. Casey, Daniel. My niece is Cassidy. Yeah, grandniece. Hey, do you know?
What you in the car do to me? He went with me, and that mess sergeant come out there and said, "Master Sergeant said, how's the food?" I said, "Good." Hop by, I said, "Good. Everything's good." He said, "You want seconds? You get seconds." He said, "Thank you."
Morris, I'm starving. You're making me hungry. You're talking about pork chops, man. Just wrong.
He said, "Thank you." He said,
I mean, they're 50-year-old pork chops, Edith, but
after he ain't got that eating, I said, "Now, come on, go with me. We're going to the chow hall. I got to show you something." Everybody had the food covered up because of rice and like somebody puked in a plate. It was slimy rice.
Oh, like prison food.
I mean, that's what we eat 3 meals a day. We never saw no milk, no eggs, no ice cream, no steaks, no pork chops.
But they could get it for you.
Eggs.
They could bring it over, right?
It was there, but the E9 was selling it to the village and get rice back in place of it. He stayed over 19 years. He kept wanting to stay over there because he's making money.
He got away with it.
But by the time I got done with him, they went there and put handcuffs on him.
He was stealing government property, basically.
And they carried him out of there. And my understanding, they busted him down to E1 and also a dishonorable discharge.
That's a loaded question to answer that. But I would just briefly. Hold on. I'm going to answer your question. As long as your blood bleeds red, you are the same in the Creator's eyes. Therefore, you have to conduct yourself under the banner of the United States, which I believe and will die for is the mankind's best attempt at governing itself.
Okay, let me continue. What would you do if you had a magic wand, sir? Just for America. All powerful.
I'm not going to answer that question.
Think about it.
No. It can be interpreted in so many different ways. Look.
This is the scariest.
Hold on.
I've talked to some bad motherfuckers, and this is the scariest interview I've ever had. I mean, gangster disciples know.
I'm going to sip some beer because, according to we're allowed to drink beer, right? Hell, you can't drink the fucking water these days. It's got all what is Gen X.
That's why Jesus.
Might as well drink beer.
Okay.
Ready? Hey. All right.
So I'm going to ask you, what makes America great? See, it's like